Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace front struts on a Nissan Murano, only way. Jack the car and secure it on stands, remove the wheel and disconnect the brake line and ABS clip first. Unbolt the sway bar link and lower control arm to free the hub. Support the hub, remove the top strut mount nuts, and compress the spring safely. Swap the strut assembly and reassemble in reverse, checking torque specs and test driving carefully. Begin by loosening the top strut mount nuts before lowering the hub, then fully remove the lower bolts holding the strut to the steering knuckle. Keep the rotor and brake caliper supported so hoses do not bear weight. Carefully note spring orientation and any alignment marks, then extract the old assembly. Inspect mounts, bearings, and brakes for wear and replace as needed. Clean mating surfaces and apply anti-seize before fitting the new unit to prevent corrosion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more repair guides. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's handy in the garage and fits cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Your support helps me make more content and provide detailed steps. Now let's get back to the video. Compress the spring with a proper tool and transfer it to the new strut assembly while checking for damaged coils or seat issues. Torque the top mount nuts to spec and align the strut to the hub before tightening lower bolts. Reinstall sway bar links and brake components, then torque all fasteners to manufacturer values. Reset ride height if adjustable, and perform a careful test drive to listen for noises and confirm steering feel and basic alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.